kids, I am Boo, your friend. Today, we will learn the names of baby animals and birds. So let's learn the different names of baby animals and birds. Rabbit. Baby rabbit is called Bunny. Hawk. Baby hawk is called eyas. Swan. Baby swan is called Cygnet. Turkey. Baby turkey is called poult. Bear. Baby bear is called cub. Fish. Baby fish is called fry. Fox. Baby fox is called cub or pup. Frog. Baby frog is called tadpole. Zebra. Baby zebra is called foal. Goat. Baby goat is called kid. Rhino. Baby rhino is called cub. Seal. Baby seal is called pup. Sheep. Baby sheep is called lamb. Whale. Baby whale is called calf. Those are the names of the babies of animals and birds. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.